Okay, boys, in math today, our topic is ice cream flavor. The page number of your learner's book is 44, and our topic is ice cream flavors. Unit 2A. So, in this unit, we are going to talk about money and how many scoops can we get for $1. You can buy 2 scoops of ice cream. How many different ice creams can you make? How many different ice creams we can make, because we have different flavors here. And if we pay $1 to the shopkeeper, we are going to get 2 scoops of ice cream. So first, let's see what are the flavors that a shopkeeper has. We have peach, vanilla, chocolate, mint, toffee, and strawberry. These are 6 different flavors. So we can buy 2 scoops for $1, means we can have 2 different flavors for $1. First of all, as you can see, the girl is buying vanilla and strawberry. So what we have to do, we have to just make the grouping, or you can say pairs of flavors. How can we make different scoops with giving the shopkeeper a $1? Okay, so you can write with me on the book as well. First of all, she can buy the flavors, that is, first of all, she can buy peach. I will write P plus V. P for peach and V for vanilla. She can buy this first 2 scoop from the shopkeeper. Peach and vanilla. Then she can buy vanilla with chocolate. P plus V. And vanilla with chocolate. V for vanilla. You can write V for vanilla and C for chocolate. This can also be the combination of buying 2 scoops. It's up to the buyer which flavor that is preferred by her. Vanilla and chocolate, we have mint and toffee. Mint and toffee. And we can buy toffee and strawberry. Toffee and strawberry. We can also pair strawberry with peach. So strawberry plus peach. We can also buy strawberry with peach and vanilla with mint, and so on. There can be many different flavors that we can buy from $1 of. For $1, we can buy 2 different scoops. So this is how you can pair, or you can do the combination of different scoops by paying the $1 money of amount. So next page we have the lesson, what is money? So basically you are going to know what is a money. Today the date is 25 and our day is Monday. Our topic is money and we are going to cover the pages 44 and 45. So the name of our topic is what is money? What is money? First, we are going to know what are the learning objectives of this topic. What is money? We are going to know what is the money. How can we add and count the money? And things we can buy from them. This is the learning objectives from this lesson. First of all, what is money? How can we add and count them? Things we can buy from them. So vocabulary words that we are going to see in this topic is money, count, buy. Money, count, and buy. If you want, you can write it down as well. These are only three vocabulary words that we are going to use in this lesson. Money, count, buy. Can you buy Doritos? The price is 6. For example, we have 10 reals and the Doritos pack of Doritos is for 6 reals. So can we buy them? And how can we buy them? With 5 plus 1. So if we add 5 with 1, what are we going to get? What will be the answer? Boys, if you like, you can send me your messages, your answers in the chat section. Let me see if the chat section is on. Yes, now it is on. If you like, you can send the answer here. So 5 plus 1. I have told you the simple way of addition that you are going to keep 5, the bigger number in your mind and the smaller digit in your fingers. So 5 in my mind and 1 on my finger. 5 plus 1 is equals 6. So yes, we can buy Doritos because we have 5 and 1. So we can buy the Doritos. Okay. Some of the boys send the messages and their answer is good. Well done. Okay, can you buy Pepsi? Pepsi is for 8 reals. Let's count how many coins or how many money do we have. See here, 1 plus 1 plus 5. First, we are going to count how much it is, and then we are going to know whether we can buy the Pepsi or no. The price of Pepsi is 8 reals. What we are going to do, we are going to add 1 with 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 5. Keeping 5 in the mind, 2 in the finger. What comes after 5? 6 and 7. So we have 7 reals. How many reals we have? We have 7. So can you buy the Pepsi? Yes or no? As Albara said, we cannot buy the Pepsi because we do not have 8 reals. The Pepsi is expensive. It is for 8 reals and in our pocket, how many money we have? We have only 7 reals. So shopkeeper is not going to give us the bottle of Pepsi for 7 reals. He will say it is 8 reals. Go and bring one more real if you want to buy the bottle of Pepsi. Okay, moving on to the next slide. Here are some currencies of Saudi Riyals. As you can see, this is 1 Riyal, 5 Riyals, 10 Riyals, 50 Riyals, 100 Riyals, and 500 Riyals. So, as we are living in Saudi Arabia for now, so this is the currency that we are using in our country. Also, they have changed the real into coins, but the paper money is like this. Okay, can you buy a robot toy? Let's see how much money do we have in our pocket. The price of robot toy is 16. So count, boys. How much money do we have in our pocket? 1 plus 5 plus 10. 1 plus 5 is 6, and 6 plus 10, 10 in the mind and 6 in the finger. What comes after 10? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, we can buy the robot toy. We can buy the robot toy as we have equivalent amount of money in our pocket. So again, Abdullah Tuwergi and Albara is right that we can buy the robot toy. Okay, moving on to the next question. Can you buy the teddy bear? This teddy bear, and it is very costly. It is for 56 reals. I think it is from the airport. When we go to the airport, there the toys and the things are very expensive. But on the other hand, when we go in the city, on the toy shops or 5 real shop or the good shops that have toys, there we can buy much cheaper teddy bear than 56. So here now we want to buy this teddy bear, which is for 56 reals. Before making a decision, let's find out how many cash do we have in our pocket. We have 5 reals, 5 reals, and 1 reals. So count them, boys. How many total money do we have in our pocket? 5 plus 5 is 10, and 10 plus 1 is 11. So can we buy the teddy bear? Send the answers, boys. Can we buy the teddy bear? Yes or no? You are going to reply with yes or no. So we cannot buy the teddy bear because it is very expensive and we have only 11 reals in the pocket. So we should not buy this expensive toy. So the answer is no. Most of the boys who send the answers, that is right. Okay. Can you buy the car? Let's see what is the price of toy car. And the toy car, it is basically a Jeep toy car. It is for 28 reals. So count, boys, how much money do we have? In my pocket, I have 1 real, 5 real, 5 real, and 10 real. So count them and send me the answer. 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 plus 5, keeping 15 in the mind and 5 in the finger. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 plus 1 is 21. So we have 21 in our pocket, and the toy is for 28. So there is a bit difference between a toy car price and the money that we have in our pocket. So we cannot buy the toy car with 21 reals. How much more money do we have should have in our pocket to buy a toy car? We should have 7 more reals in order to buy the toy car. Okay, can you buy the lollipop? First of all, let's see how much money it costs. The price of lollipop is 10 reals, and the money that we have is 5 reals and 10 reals. First, we are going to add the money. 5 plus 10 is how much? Yes, Abdullah Chuwergi and Albara Turki. How much money do we have in our pocket? 10 plus 5 is 15. Yes. And Hamza is saying we can buy the lollipop. Yes, because 15 is more amount. If we buy the lollipop, still we are going to have 5 reals in the pocket. So answer is yes, we can buy the lollipop for 10 reals. Okay, next. Can you buy the shoes? The shoes is for 34 reals. The price of the shoe is 34 reals. What are we going to do, boys? First of all, we are going to see the money that we have. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 5. So count them, boys. 10 plus 10 is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30. 30 plus 5 is how much? How much money do we have? Albara is saying 35 reals we have in our pocket. Yes, we have 35 reals. And let's see, can we buy the shoes? Yes or no? So it's totally up to you, boys, what you are going to decide. Can we buy the shoes for 35 reals? For 34 reals, as we have 35 in the pocket. So 35 is a bigger number than 34. So send me your answers. Yes, we can buy the shoe that cost 34. Okay, that's all. I hope you have understood. Now moving on to the book, page number 45. What is money? I have told you, boys, that what is money? The currency that we use in our country is called money. How can you make the amount you need to buy a chocolate bar? First of all, what we are going to do, we are going to know what is the amount of chocolate bar. Chocolate is for the chocolate is for 4 reals. So how can we make this amount? We are going to make 4 reals. Here, make like this circles, and what we are going to do, write in them 1, 1, 1, and 1. If we have 4 coins of 1 real, we can buy the chocolate bar. Okay, a ball. How much the cost is the cost of a ball? The price of the ball is 15 reals, because 10 real is the cost of ball, is the price of ball, and 5 real he is going to take the tax. So what should we have? We should have, how much money should we have to buy this? We should have a note of 10 and 5 reals. Understood, boys? Okay, a book. How much a book cost? The cost of the book is 100. Cost of the book is 100. So to buy the book, how much money should we have in our pocket? We should have two notes of 50. So 50 plus 50 equals 100. Okay, the last one is an ice cream. We should have 3 coins of 1 real in our pocket in order to buy an ice. The currency that is used here in Saudi Arabia is reals. We have two types of currency here, the coin money and the paper notes. So 2 reals till 2 reals we have coins, and from above we have paper money. Paper money for 5 real, 10 real, 20, 50, 100, 500, and 1000. This is the paper currency that we are using in our country.